Hi everybody, welcome to this very quick review of some basic features of popular data modeling applications like spreadsheets. Here we've got a data model, and some of the information in the column here, column B, some of that information is not easy to see. I need to make the column wider so I can drag out the column. Same here in column G. Some of the text has spilled out. It looks like it's in another column. It's not. It's in column G. Let's just drag that out a little bit. A quick way to auto-widen columns so that you can clearly see all of the data. Let's just drag some of these to make them very narrow. A quick way to do it is to select all of the spreadsheet by clicking in the top left corner there, and then just double-click any of these divider lines. Just choose one and double click. Here we go. And everything auto widens. Isn't that magic? Okay, I'm going to create a new row. So I'm going to right click on row 1 and I'm going to insert, and that will give me a new row above. Check this out. If I select 3 rows and then do right click insert, I get 3 rows above. So that's kind of funky. I can also do the same with columns. Select a column and then insert, and you should get a column either to the right or the left, depending on the application that you're using. Now this new column, this new row, row 1, I'm going to select all of the cells from A1 to H1, and I'm going to merge those cells and give my data model a title. This is my sales data set. And let's mess around with font size and font color. Let's make it italic. Okay. And of course, we can wrap up all of our information and do other things, for example, including borders. Now, what I want to do is create a new column title on row 2. Let's just undo the borders for a minute. We'll do that later when we're finished. In fact, I'm going to undo that merging as well because I'm not finished yet. Will it let me do it? Yes, okay. And I'm actually going to delete that top row. Delete the row. We'll do all that later. I want to create a new column here called quantity. And I'm going to use a bit of spreadsheet magic just to get my data model set up. I'm going to use a function called randBetween, which will generate a number between, let's say, 1 and 5. So there we've got a random number. Now to see the function that we've just used, press Control and this symbol on your keyboard. Can you find that symbol? That's called the tilde symbol. It's called the tilde. Can you find it? Now, if you press Control tilde on your keyboard, you will go into Formula View and you can see any formulas that you make. Let's use that trick again. Select everything and double click, and everything will auto widen for us again. So there we go. We've got, and let's just copy that down. Copy down, copy down. There we go, it's copied down. Let's go back into data view. So Control tilde one more time on the keyboard. Magic trick. And we can see everything. And there we've got a quantity. I'm just going to delete column E because that's annoying me. And let's just get rid of that information. Now I'm going to make a new column here called total price. And the total price is the price multiplied by the quantity. So to make a formula, I'm going to use the equal sign again. I'm going to select that price data and I'm going to multiply it by the quantity. Price multiplied by quantity. What am I going to do now? You've guessed it. I'm going to copy down. Look at the handle. Do you see the handle? Click it and drag. Copy down. Brilliant. Formula View, Control tilde. Let's have a look at this. let's just, yep, there we go. There we go. Can you see the formulas? D2 multiplied by H2 for that row. D3 multiplied by H3 for that row. So the cell references automatically update for each row. Very, very useful feature of spreadsheet technology. All right, the last thing I want to show you is I want to make a chart showing me the wind condition of all medium, low, and high kite surfs. So I need to collect the data in order to make the chart. Low, medium, high. How many lows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 lows. How many mediums are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many highs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So using that information, I should be able to create some kind of chart. See if you can figure out how to do that.